Could stand here and say something inspiring, but the truth, I don't want to waste your time with words that doesn't even mean, because I know what it feels like to waste time. I've done it. I've spent days, weeks, months, maybe even years, just letting life pass, stuck between overthinking and not doing enough. But today, I realize time doesn't stop. Whether we use it or waste it, it keeps moving, and that's scary, but also freeing, because it means we can choose at any moment to start being better. Not perfect, just better. So if you feel like you've wasted time too, you're not alone. But let's not let that be the ending. Let it be the turning point. That's my day 8 and the journey to 50K per month. See you guys tomorrow.